Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you delete group on WhatsApp. So in order to delete group on WhatsApp, what you want to do is first thing first, you must be the admin, and then you want to make sure that you need to remove all the members. What you want to do is open up WhatsApp on your device and select on the search bar, type in the group that you have. Here it is. Next, what you want to do is you just want to tap on the three dots, or you just want to go to the name of the group. You want to select members from the list. Here it is. And you just simply want to make sure to remove the members first thing first. And after which, you want to make sure to remove the other member as well. As already mentioned, you have to be the admin. Now, once you've actually done this, you could then tap on the three dot icon, or you could simply go ahead and select exit group. And that's how you can go ahead and delete a group on WhatsApp. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.